gonna be another one of those nights. Getting super windy. But yeah. Alright, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, so I'm gonna yell. Hopefully it's not really loud. But it's starting to fucking rain. I keep getting all these stupid notifications that there's a tornado, take cover, fuck you. I got shit to do today. So what I'm probably gonna do is I gotta pull the center console. I gotta drill out all the rivets in the center console, pull the center console off. I have new shift cables. I need to pull one in because when we went to the Madison show, one of the cables is now popping on and off, so that's not okay. So we're gonna change out that cable, and then if I'm feeling bold enough, maybe I'll make a short throw shifter. So let's fucking do this. Let's get started. First thing's gonna be drilling out all these rivets, take that panel out, and yeah, get the panel out, and then we can get the shift cable out, and then get the new one in, and then we'll go from there. So let's get to it. Good God, man, I get all soaked just trying to go to the damn shed. Had to use my cardboard umbrella. So, but all right, we got the drill. Let's get those things drilled out. All right, we got them out. Panel's off. So now all we got to do is just change out the cable. I got to figure out which one it is. I can't remember. It's actually, I'm pretty sure it's this one. Pretty sure it's this long one. It's getting pretty brutal outside. Oh. It's a thing right now. It's pretty fucking brutal out here. But yeah, you know me. We got shit to do today. So we just got to get that cable off. So it should be, it's this big guy right here. So we got to get that one off. Oh, there just went power. Oh, power's back. Yeah, I know, I got the warning about a tornado. Woo! Holy shit! Fucking tree! Holy shit! God damn! I'm gonna die! Woo! Jesus Christ! Holy shit! Holy mother of God! Holy shit! Apparently, I have to come inside for a while because wife is, they got her in lockdown at work, and I had a tree, as I was like, I did a little Facebook Live, and a tree fucking fell down. It like landed in between the Mighty Max and the pop-up garage. As soon as it fucking calms the fuck down outside, I can show you. But yeah, that was interesting because I was standing in my garage filming, and the fucking tree fell in front of me. That could have been bad. But yeah, fucking exciting. Power keeps flickering in and out. So supposedly the tornado's like 7, 8 or so miles away from here. So, but yeah, fun. I ended up moving the vehicles out of the way so that way if any of these trees do to go down, they don't take out any of that shit. But yeah, what a fucking blast. Good God, trying to go fill up the fucking truck. Trees falling everywhere, so that's fun. My fucking luck. I ran out of gas because the gas station I went to ran out of gas. And the other one's way up there, so that fucking sucks. Because I don't have money to buy a goddamn gas can. Alright, we got one. I want the freaking like Conquest or Nap or some shit because I figured it'd be cheaper for a fucking can. It was like $17 for a 1 gallon. Or I got to the gas station, it was $9 for a fucking 2 gallon. Like motherfuckers. Now I gotta go stop there, return that, and then go fill this fucker up. And we can get the fuck home. Well, I gotta go check on a house for the wife. So, fucking thrill a minute. Well, gassed up, checked out his house. Everything's good. Now I'm heading home. I probably won't. I got 2% left on my phone, so unless the power's back on, I won't be able to help you. It's flooded everywhere. It's flooded. I've seen about like 100 freaking down trees. So good times, good times. But yeah, seems the rain's letting up a little bit, so that's good. Yeah, here's some more. Whee! Gotta love a truck. But yeah, let's get home. All right, we can finally fucking get back to work here now that it stopped really pouring and all that shit. And then had a fucking tree. This tree right here broke right there. I don't know what I filmed, so. But yeah, probably see more of that tomorrow or in the next video. But yeah, let's get these shift cables out. I gotta do all this stuff in there is pretty much done. Now I just gotta disconnect everything and then pull it out. Alright, we got the new cable in, and I'm probably gonna do the short throw. So here's neutral. And neutral, we're at say 13.5. So first gear is like 11.25. 11.5. Yeah, so 11.5. So from 11.5 to 13.5. What is that? 2 inches. 2 inches to throw from first there. And then, so 13.5 to 16. So 2.5. So from 16, or from 11.5 all the way to 16. So that's what, 5.5 inches? My math's correct. I suck at math, so. But yeah, so there's that. Now we're gonna take this one off. I'm gonna extend this bottom portion. I'll cut it here, extend it. Probably I can do a good 1/4 inch probably. So we'll try and do that, and then put it in, see what that does. Alright, we just got that C-clip thing off of right there, and this thing just slides right off. So now let's go modify this. I ended up chopping, and then I've probably added about that much, probably about 1/4 inch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack this one on, and then, you know, if you're actually doing this, you want to make sure that you don't fuck up what side. So like the side that it juts out at, so like that, this is the side that you want this guy. So you don't want to fuck that up, because that'd be bad. So let's get this welded on. Alright, so I ended up extending it even a little bit more, but now it's hitting right here. But I don't need the reverse thing, so what we're going to do is unbolt here and here, here and here, pull this guy off, pull this one off, pull the whole thing out, and I'm going to actually cut out that part. So let's do that. Got it out, and that stuff's disgusting, so we'll clean that out. And we got this stuff, so I'll take it in there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So with it in there, we're making contact, and it needs to pivot this way. See if I can show you what I'm talking about, but it needs to be able to pivot this way. So we gotta take out this. So let's get that out. There was like 2 little pins there, so I ground them down, and now we'll just pry it off. Hopefully it's that easy. We'll find out. Is it going to be that easy? Dang, it is that easy. Alright, so now what we'll probably end up doing is we'll just kind of, I don't know, I haven't decided. I might plunge cut, just do a couple plunge cuts to clear it out, so that way we keep, you know, some rigidity here. But yeah, we'll find out what I do. Without that thing in there, you can really see what we're dealing with here. So yeah, we got to take out on that. I'm probably just going to try and grind this flat, see if that gives us the clearance we all need, but if not, then we'll try again. Alright, I tried grounding it down, and we got that, but it doesn't go side to side yet. So like, I can show you with this one, where we need to be able to do that. So now we're just gonna give her a chop. So let's do that. We just chopped out a bunch, but now she clears, and then you can go like this, and she clears. I do need to, it catches a little bit there, so I'm gonna clean up this a little bit, and then we'll be good to go. But yeah, so now we'll just gotta finish welding this up, and then clean this up, probably slap some paint on it, lube it up, then install it, and then get that done, get that back installed, we'll be good to go. Then we can test to see if I wasted my life trying to make all these modifications. So let's keep going. Alright, got that painted, let's go weld that. Got it welded all the way around, nice and shitty welds. So let's probably slap a quick thing of paint on there, and then get everything fully assembled back. So let's do this. Got that vacuumed, so let's put this back in. Alright, it's in. That part's moving. Now we just gotta get this on, and so both cables are in, and yeah, so let's do this. Put a little grease on there, put a little bit on this, so when you slide it on, it'll get in there, because I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that needs grease. So we're gonna grease it. And yeah, let's see. Seems a little bit shorter, so, which I would hope so, because this is longer than even the ones Rodney makes, because you have to modify down there. I could probably go a little bit longer if I even really wanted to, but it definitely is a little bit harder to shift, but that's good, that's okay with me. And luckily I kept a really long shaft, so that makes it easier as well, because then you got more leverage on your side. But yeah, what else we got to do here? I got the circlip on, and this one's also pinned in down here. So next thing, we're gonna measure, see what the difference is. All right.